the amazing thing about Crystal Garden Phase 3? Watch this video till the end because you are going to find out. Aha! This is Crystal Garden Phase 3, situated behind Centenary City Enugu. We are here today for physical allocation. Look at the people we came here with. Some are here for inspection, while some are here for physical allocation. And the dozer is at work. As you can see, the road. There is something I would like you to understand about real estate investment. Anywhere someone is telling you to come and invest in, and the distance from that property to the heart of town is less than 30 minutes drive. My brother, my sister, do not hesitate to invest in that place because the potential for growth and development is near. I have a video titled Drive from the Heart of Enugu into Developing Areas in Centenary City Enugu. Please search for that video and watch it, because from the video you would see that Crystal Garden Phase 3 is less than 30 minutes drive from the heart of town, which is Independence Layout. I showed the distance from Agri Bank into Crystal Garden Phase 3, and if you watch that video you would see that it is less than 30 minutes drive. Okay, I showed everywhere, the bad road, the third road, everywhere into this property. So it is less than 30 minutes drive from the heart of town, which is Independence Layout Enugu. Crystal Garden Phase 3 is a tableland and is a dry topography. Look at the ground, look at it. The dozer is down there working. Look at the dozer down there. Okay, the dozer is down there, but this place is dry topography. All right, it is rainy season, but yet, as you can see, it is dry. It's a tableland and a dry topography, and the potential for growth and development is very, very fast. There is a factory you saw from my video. There's a factory you saw into this place. There's a factory you saw, and that from that factory to Crystal Garden Phase 3 is less than a minute drive. All right, at least you saw the speed with which he is using to build his factory. That is to show you the speed with which development is coming towards this environment. Crystal Garden Phase 3 has an approved CFO, has registered survey, has deed of assignment and power of attorney. Crystal Garden Phase 3 is measured 500 square meter. And if you are investing in any property, please ensure that you are investing where you are going to have good return on your investment. Now, what is one of the criteria for measuring somewhere that will yield a good return on investment? Number one, the distance from the estate. Okay, the distance from the estate into the heart of town. Crystal Garden Phase 3 is situated less than 30 minutes drive from the heart of town, which is Independence Layout. Crystal Garden Phase 3 is selling for 5 million naira. Yes, and we run a flexible payment plan. So, wouldn't you want to invest where you are certain of a good return on your investment? Wouldn't you want to invest in such a place? I remain your best friend and your real estate consultant here in the Southeast Enugu, Nigeria, Loveth Aneke. Call me right now if you want to know more about Crystal Garden Phase 3 or any other landed property or estate in Enugu State. Call me on 0803 743 5005. Until I come your way again, bye for now.